Hello! In today's video, I'll be showcasing the AI tools of vLawyer, designed for lawyers or anyone in need of legal assistance. Log into your accounts easily, and let's get started. Remember, all links can be found in the description below. From the left sidebar, click on the Assistance section. Here we see the legal AI tools created by users of the vLawyer app. If desired, we can also easily create our own tool, but that will be the topic of a future video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss new videos. I want to introduce some of these legal tools. The document chat caught my eye as a great way to interact with legal documents. Let's start with this tool. Let's begin our conversation by uploading a document. This will allow us to ask any questions we might have about our legal documents using artificial intelligence. I've successfully uploaded the document, and the AI is now knowledgeable about its contents. I can now ask any questions I want. Let's get started. I want to inquire about the subject matter of this document because, as you know, legal documents can be quite complex and difficult to understand. There's a real need for artificial intelligence in the legal field, just like vLawyer. As you can see, vLawyer has acquired detailed information about the document we uploaded and is providing us with a summary. Wow, this is truly amazing. The evolution of law with artificial intelligence is inevitable. It even provides us with detailed information about the sources it found. As you can see, it provided us with all the key details of a complex case with just one click. And the reminder for the next hearing date is also a nice touch. vLawyer truly offers unique legal AI tools, with new ones constantly being developed by the community. I plan to showcase my favorites on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to catch all the latest videos. Also, you can view previous conversations on the left sidebar, so you never lose track of your progress. Until next time in the future of law, goodbye.